Hi. I've been hearing क्या करें इसके बारे में since yesterday. Um, See, in a summary, if I were to say, what one is hearing is independent voices largely. करें क्या के response में मैं ये कह सकती हूँ that we start speaking their language. Okay, whether they're the politicians or the scientists, we start speaking their language. Evidence for evidence, paperwork for paperwork, uh, technician for technician, scientist for scientist. We got to get the manpower and the paperwork together to build a strong enough case so that you can be heard first. Fishermen and journalists की बात सुननी पड़ेगी. Clearly, we don't have the respect in the first place to be heard. आप बोलोगे आप तो डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म मेकर हो, आप तो बोलोगे आप जर्नलिस्ट हो, आप तो बोलोगे आप फिशरमैन हो. Where's the proof? Where's the evidence? Where's the case? Where's the case? Where's the foundation? Activist? Yes. Even in the Indian films that I saw yesterday. Hoga. Asnar. See, Japan and America are not like that. Asnar ani hoga doesn't figure into their vocabulary. It is.
The Jaitapur has a very strong case. It has been put forth time and again. Okay, so it has been compiled by Satyajit and the team. It's not that there is not a case. So the issue is what, very few people decide about what is to be done or not to be done, and a large majority of masses are simply ignorant about it. The point he made about a German European Union activist who had visited to Jaitapur, I had accompanied them to Jaitapur.
The legislation and the constitution is being altered so that personal freedom is stifled and personal freedom is put down. So for people to say कि activist बन के और करना चाहिए, it's very hard unless you're in the field. तो जैसे जैतापुर के लोगों पे, why was only Tabriz shot? हम लोग में से कोई जाके फ्रंट लाइन पे खड़ा नहीं रहा क्योंकि फटती है वहाँ जाने के लिए. So people should understand that increasingly this struggle is becoming of a very high level of danger, and I do some kind of activism as well, and every time your passport or you go and ask for a police verification, till that comes back in your home you feel under some kind of stress, and only when that comes you feel you can resume your normal life. And I think activists across nuclear plants in Jaitapur, Tarapur, they face that on an everyday basis.
That's all I can say, that we can hope that we can take it forward. It's extremely difficult for city folk, but you cannot be neutral in a moving train. Thank you.
स्पेशली फिल्म डिवीज़न और एफडी जोन और ख़ास तौर से विवेक जी, मैं आप सब लोगों को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूं कि हमें ये मौका मिला है कि हम बम्बई में इतने महत्वपूर्ण जगह पे ये फिल्म फेस्टिवल कर सके और ये पैनल डिस्कशन कर सके. हम सारे पैनलिस्टों को बहुत बहुत हार्दिक तौर से आपका आभार प्रकट करते हैं कि आप आए, आपने अपनी बात रखी और आप दर्शकों का कि आप लोग रहे, आपने सुना. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. हम आधे घंटे के ब्रेक के बाद में वापस फिल्म पर आएंगे और उन्होंने एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण फिल्म की बात करी है, वो मैं रिशेड्यूल कर रहा हूँ और वो फिल्म से मैं शुरू करूँगा. और उसके बाद फलूजा में डिप्लीटेड यूरेनियम का क्या हुआ है, वो 2 फिल्में हम दिखाएंगे पहले से वाले सेशन में.
a great revolution without any pollution. But the people just should